Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues. First of all, I would like to thank for this very kind introduction, and then I'm truly overwhelmed to be part of this significant event. It's more than a privilege for me to be here today with you, and I've been asked to present now where are we when it comes to aesthetics in implant dentistry. This is how I have organized my presentation. I will give a very short introduction to define the topic, then go over to try to define what do we understand today as being an aesthetic implant restoration. Then forgive me, I'm an old man, so I have the privilege to look back, and I would like to share 25 years of experience, very briefly, just to learn, to show what I've learned during that time, to show you what I think is standard today. Then, of course, I will briefly address also the current scientific documentation. I will present 2 recent clinical studies. And then, if time permits, I would like also to go a little bit into case presentations and clinical procedures and to come to the conclusions and perspectives. So let me start with this slide, beginning. Whatever we do, we have to promote and maintain healthy peri-implant tissues. Although they look a little bit reddish on the screen, we would like to have non-inflamed tissue. And what you see on the very right part of the slide is, don't forget the unrivaled success story of tissue level implants. So we're still in the posterior part of the mouth.